Hello everyone, this is knutremi and Xytarez from the Alter Ego community. A few days ago I posted a suggestion for inverse target selection arguments to the Minecraft suggestions subreddit. The response to the suggestion was amazing. It reached the front page of the subreddit, and even CubeHamster approved of my suggestion. So yeah, thanks for all the support, guys. It was appreciated. But even with all the support, we can't be sure a Mojang employee is gonna take a look at the suggestion. And if they do, we can't even be sure they're gonna implement it. So I took matters into my own hands. Xytarez here is demonstrating how his game mode changes to 2, that's adventure mode, when he enters the cube there. He won't be able to break or place any blocks, and he can't use any tools while he's inside the cube there. When he's inside the cube, his RG test score, as you can see in the sidebar there, changes to 1. We're using these command blocks here to test whether he's inside the cube. And as you can see now, he exited the cube and his game mode changed to 0. Also notice how his RG test score changed to 0 as well. To do so, we start with this command block where we're taking from his RG test score. This makes sure his RG test score is reset before we're testing if he's inside the region. We had to swap the command blocks because they were in the wrong order. Next up, we're adding to his RG test score when he's within these coordinates there. This lets us use this command block here to put anyone who's on survival and got an RG test score of minimum 1 to adventure. Then we've got this command block here that tests for anyone with an RG test score of 0 maximum. They're on adventure mode. Oh, and yeah, you can add people who are permitted to the region to a list at the end there. These people, they are set to survival mode. I think this was one of the things CubeHamster approved of in the Reddit comment thread. Next up, we've got a suggestion by Reddit user DonkeyTeeth2013. They suggested conditional statements in Minecraft, the kind you find in programming languages. Then I used a truth table on both their statement and my converted statement, and found out that it had the same values for all 3 input values. Boolean algebra is a bit technical, but if you're into that kind of stuff, you're gonna love it. These 3 command blocks here manage the scoreboard. They make sure the scoreboard updates whenever the conditions of the statement update. In most cases where the player is standing somewhere else than this command block, these 3 command blocks here make sure their test exclude score is set to 0. Xytarez here is gonna stand on top of the command block and demonstrate how you're not getting teleported when you're on top of the command block. Notice how I got teleported there. That's because my test exclude score was set to 0. Before checking the conditions, the test exclude score of all players has to be set to 0. Then we're setting the player's test exclude score to 1 if they're standing on top of the command block here. This is the first part of the negated statement. These commas you're seeing in between each condition there, that's the AND logical operator. In this one we're testing for the second part of the negated statement. This of course wasn't what donkey teeth meant, but I think it demonstrates how you can make most kinds of programming conditions in Minecraft. These were some of the things you can do with inverse selections in Minecraft. We've also got a custom server system we're working on. If you guys want to be notified about that, you should subscribe to our channel. I hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Xytarez and knutremi from the Alter Ego community. See you guys next time.